spreading northeast. This is a rapidly developing situation. This dangerous wildfire will be at A3 Road at approximately 2 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Penderys Village and A28 Road by 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, and Highway 94 and the Mora County line by 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Evacuations have been ordered for Big Pine, Chavez, Long Pine Mesa, San Ignacio, Penderys Village, Rosiana, Canyoncito, and all nearby communities. Evacuation centers have been established at the former Memorial Middle School at 947 Old National Road off Legion Drive in Las Vegas, as well as the Raton Convention Center. Heavy smoke is impacting the area and will continue to expand in coverage toward the north and east through the evening.